Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you the wildlife camera here by Sweatfella. This is a special camera because it comes with 8K video, a wildlife cam with 60 megapixel full HD Wi-Fi with mobile phone transmission app, motion sensor, night vision, 0.1 second trigger time, infrared, wildlife camera with 32 gigabyte SD card included. Of course, you can extend it. And 8 AA batteries. It's IP66 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor. Wireless local area network connection, plus app control. Because this wildlife camera comes with a mobile phone transfer app. We go to the App Store, or we go to the Play Store, and download the TrailCam Go app. TrailCam Go. Manually connect your phone to the TrailCam's built-in Wi-Fi, or we can connect it via Bluetooth. We can easily set the parameters and save images or videos from the trail camera on our phone via the app. The connection of the Wi-Fi has a distance limit, about 65 feet in the open range. If we have trouble connecting the camera to the mobile app, we should go to update maybe, or we go to closer area, or we use the wired connector, or we can remove the micro SD card out of it by using the card reader and get this download to our computer, for example. So you can have you have a lot of possibilities to get this camera footage out of the cam. With a beautiful picture and video quality, the Sweatfella PR-AT3W wildlife camera comes with night vision motion detection and 4 billion pixel color CMOS sensor that can record 8K videos and 60 megapixel photos. It also has a 110 degrees wide angle lens that has a large field of view. We can see clearly wild animals, clearly during the day and the night. With view of pictures of deer, raccoons, opossums, etc. Animals play, animals have party, animals are walking around. The videos are vivid in color and rich in detail for us to enjoy. And 20-meter clear night vision. And we have 2 PIR sensors. Because this wildlife camera comes with motion detector and night vision. The wildlife camera equipped with an infrared LEDs for the range of 80 feet, 25 meters. Detailed black and white night vision images and capture the moments of the wildlife. With 2 PIR sensors, this 8K WLAN wildlife camera triggers without a delay within 0.1 seconds. So we never miss a shot. And the IP66 waterproof level means ensure normal operation from minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The night structure, the waterproof coating, and the well-sealing rubber ring protects the wildlife camera against rain, snow, and dust. Don't worry about bad weather. The trail camera can work well even in harsh environments, such as deserts, grasslands, and tropical rainforests. So you can have a party with that Sweatfella PR-803W Wi-Fi wildlife camera with 4 billion CMOS chip, 8K HD videos, 60 megapixel HD images, IP66 waterproof ranging, 0.1 seconds trigger speed, and a 25-meter release distance. Night vision, 110 degrees wide angle. Boy, this makes a good job with a lot of stuff. This is all possible by operating with an external app. Easy peasy, download the app, go turn on it, then pair it, have fun, make a setup, and then go out and watch animals with this Sweatfella wildlife camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.